We got this moved back quite a bit. We got this support in here. And we're going to cut out some of this metal here, replace it. See all this rust behind this paint's got to be cleaned up because it's just going to keep the paint from sticking well. So yeah, he's got this pretty much in there. Yeah. So the hair is good. Harus masuk sedikit besi di bawah. Yeah.
Ini good.
Yeah, it's good, yeah.
Sure.
Yeah. Hah?
Minum.
Minum, ya? Kamu haus? Ya. Ya, jangan lupa bersih dengan sanding flap disk ya.
Okay.
Dan potong ini. Ish. Ya. Enggak tahu dari mana, dari sini enggak tahu. Luar itu ya. Dan tambah besi sini ke sana ya.
Okay.
So, yeah, making some progress.
Good.
And ini nanti ya.
Sama dua begini.
Yeah. Okay, so we're making some progress here. I've got a 200 amp welder hopefully coming today. That'll help me put some stronger welds in here. Well, this looks like garbage, but it's been changed about 3 times because I can't get it right first times, which is partly my fault because of communication. This is interesting here. Yeah. We're going to be putting the siku nanti, tambah siku di sini terus ya. Mungkin dari sini enggak tahu. Itu lebih kuat ya.
Oh, di dalam.
Membuat ya bisa dibawa ya. Enggak. Ya.
Begini.
Ya. Harus lebih. Oh ya. Ya. Tapi saya mau ukuran lebih sempurna ya. Saya tidak mau tambah sedikit ya. Sama ini tidak sempurna, ada 1 senti di bawah. Ya. Ya. Coba lebih baik ya. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna add some angle iron underneath here. I'm hoping this video my camera doesn't get too hot too quick, because I've been trying to make videos and only goes about 2-3 minutes and then it's getting too hot. So far it's doing okay. Ya, luar ini ya, potong ini. Ya. Sampai sini enggak tahu. Banyak jelek ya.
Potong. Itu tadi dua. Oke.
Ya, dan bersih dengan sanding flap disk ya. Okay. Harus beli ini lagi?
Ya, lagi.
Ya, 1 kotak.
Boleh.
Saya harus beli apa lagi?
Beli apa lagi?
Hah?
Beli apa?
Hah?
Mau beli apa lagi?
Ya, kita butuh ini. Dan lagi apa?
Sama yang tebal.
Hanya ini. Hanya cutting disc.
Satu lagi.
Ya.
Ada satu lagi dia.
Enggak harus ini atau ya.
Kena tebal satu lagi, Ustaz.
Hah?
Kena tebal lagi ini.
Hanya itu ya.
Ada satu lagi yang tebal segini.
Ya, saya tahu. Hanya hanya disk ini ya.
Ya.
Oke.
Lagi ya. Anggur merah.
Anggur merah?
Ya.
Iya, you wish, aha. Ini kamu
Ya, saya pegang
masuk ya.
Ya.
Dan ke di sini ya.
Oke, nanti dipotong aja jadi ya.
Yeah.
Dikeluarkan aja.
Yeah, so what we're doing is going to extend this up to here where we're going to put angle iron across. The whole idea is to make the connections really strong and straight so that it can take the load. These are load bearing supports. Yeah. Yeah, di bawah ini harus tambah besi ya. Okay. Bersih sedikit, itu banyak karat dan tanah ya. Oke, ini untuk di mana?
Ini?
Ya.
Ada. Nggak kemana-mana ini aja.
Oke. Ya, itu bagus ya.
Gini berarti semalam itu Mr. Moore.
Yeah, that's what we want, like this. It's inside of here. Jangan potong banyak ya. Coba lebih sempurna nanti ya. So this guy is a real fast worker, but not always the high quality. He can be, but he loves to go too fast. Jangan cepat-cepat ya. Yeah, we end up having to redo things a few times. Anyway, I gotta buy some more cutting discs. So, we might go to town in a few minutes. I don't like vlogging in town so much, but kind of afraid to have somebody snatch my phone. But anyway, making progress. All right, we'll catch you later.